back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to be taking you along what I have for the kids. Like, I went out for shopping for them, so I'll be showing you guys as I'll be unboxing it. I'll be showing you guys all I have, you know. And this is our kids room. We still need to put everything in order how it's supposed to be, you know. So just take a good look at this beautiful picture. It's not a picture, it's just it's a wall clock. Okay, it's my husband that did it for the kids. So that is it. So I will take you along of the unboxing of this very thing that I have for the kids, you know. So that is it. We have some things, and all these things are you know, I need this bag for me to put some dress whereby they are not going to be putting on again. Yeah, these are the things that I need to put in order. I don't know if what you guys are seeing, but just manage whatever view you are seeing. Okay, so this is their bed here. That is Sophia bed. On top here is the one of Samuel, and down there I still have another bed for Serena. Okay, so just step by step bed, and that is it. So all these things we are going to be putting it in order, then arrange the room and put everything. So join me as I will be doing it for them. Okay, so as I was saying, and here is all these places for and let's here is feed up of the Sophia singlet, while here is some of their dresses. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me take you guys along. Yeah, this is it. Here is for baby Sophia. Oh, this my ring light, the place I place it is something else, so I can go closer. Okay, can you see that? There is Sophia, and clothes inside the wardrobe, and down here also there's still dress, and here also is still Sophia dress, and there also is still dresses. Okay, let me see if I can open it. Okay, so here is also Sophia dresses, Serena gown, and all that. Sophia really have a lot. She have a lot. If I have time, I will do a video of only the clothes. Okay, so but today let me show you what I have for them. I went for shopping today. Okay guys, sorry for my hair. So the first thing is this one here, this very trouser. This is for someone, but I think the one that this one is a little bit 5 to 6 years, and someone is just 5 years, you know. So I don't know if it will be okay for him, so I'm not going to remove the label. I'm just gonna open them. Yeah. Okay, can you see that? This jacket is beautiful. I have that one, and another one also. This is another jacket for someone. Okay, so this is another jacket, and they are not expensive. This one is 10 euro. Okay, this one is 10 euro, and this very one is 12 euro. No, 13 euro. This very one is 13 euro. This one is 10 euro. Okay, let's just say 11 because it's 10 euro 99, so that is 11 euro. Okay, so and this one is 11 euro also. 11 euro also. Okay, so this is it.
Guys, this very one was the same one I bought from Kaidi. that I and Serena have, Sophia have, and I also. So this very one is for Samuel, and this very one is from Obvious. My first time of shopping at Obvious, you know. It's not that it's bad, it's okay, but I always go to Kind, you know. So that is just depends of the mood.
No long sleeve, and this long sleeve is 30 euro. Oh, this one is 30 euro. I feel sleeping, but I'm not gonna sleep because Serena is in my bag. If I don't do this video today, I don't think I will have time again. Yeah, I need to do it so that from tomorrow Samuel can start using his clothes. I go into school. These are everyday school. So, but the long sleeve, no, the long sleeve is for church. So this one is another blue one. What? How much is this? This one is 10 euro. This one is also 10 euro. Okay. So what age? 5 to 6. I made this mistake in just. Sorry guys, I made mistake in just one. I made mistake with one. Yeah, and this one is also soap. Okay. I saw it, I love it. I just have to buy 5 to 6 years for next year summer. And here is for baby Serena. Fagotino. Here is for Serena dresses. Okay, because this the weather has really changed. Like today, I didn't expect what we are feeling today. The cold is just something. So this one is for Serena. This light pink. I don't know what you guys may be seeing, but it's fine. So this one too for Serena. Serena need many. This one is for Serena. And all this size is just 9 to 12 months, and she's almost 8 months now. Let's just say 8 months now. She's 8 months now. A week to 8 months. So I just pray the thing is okay for her, because I'm supposed to buy bigger size, just like what I did for someone 1 year, between 5 and 6 years. But this will just close to her age, you know. And all these, the one of Serena, they just this one is 5 euro. This like these are 5 euro. Just like the side, just like when you want to buy for yourself, 5 euro. Sorry guys, I feel like sleeping. And these ones, I don't know. This one is beautiful for baby Serena. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. It's just 1 year. You know, this is even 9 months. 9 months is just big, so it's okay. 9 months. And I got this pajama for her, so she will have some pajamas now. Yeah, these are some pajamas. And this very one is Sophia. Sophia have a lot. But I still need to buy some. Last time I bought 5 leggings for her. She haven't even wear it. So anyone she did use, baby Serena will surely use it. So this very one is just for her. I love it. I saw it. I was like, even if it's one thing I need to buy for my baby girl. Yeah. So this leggings is for Sophia. And last and not the least, this one is for this one is for Serena, 9 to 12 months, and she's 8 months. I just pray I didn't make big mistake. But the only person to go and change one dress, this one is for Serena. They are beautiful. The only person to go and change is just the Samuel trousers. So everything that I spent is 131. Okay. Everything that I spent today is 131 euro. I spent 131. So these are the this one, and these are Sophia top that I need to put in order. I will just keep it aside. So the truthful, I don't have the strength to do it today. I feel like not doing it, but I don't know what to do, and yeah, just for me. Maybe once she's back now, she will help me. She will help me also. We are gonna do it together. We are gonna do it together. This one is too small for sure. This is no longer the dress. This top. Oh, I don't think Samuel can put it on again. I don't think so. I remember when I bought this top, I think it was about 20 euro. So this very, just only this one. I don't think if he can wear it again. If you guys know many dress I do buy, like today I went out, I just went out to get these things. I spent 130 euro. Thank God. I wish I went to another place. Like sometimes I end up spending 250. It's not that I buy much. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't buy much. Last year, yeah, I bought a lot of things like this one too. These are oh, I said it. I said someone supposed to have some trousers. I manage. Yeah, here is someone's trouser, but I think these trousers are too small for him now. Yeah, this will be for Serena. Oh, Serena, this will be for Serena because it's the unisex. Yeah, these are unisex. You know, no, these are too small for someone. Mostly this Paw Patrol. Someone love it. This Paw Patrol. Oh my god. This is very much Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Go team Paw Patrol. This Paw Patrol really suffer. Whenever my son wants to put some clothes and it's not Paw Patrol, you are playing with yourself. You are just playing with yourself. Not allowing to even see the dresses. Once it's not Paw Patrol, it will come for you. Oh, look at all these trousers. I said it. I said someone still have all this gap. Did you guys see that? And the one that is not their sizing, I will just keep it aside. I think maybe one that will show you where I do stock clothes. And this one too. Oh my god, I forgot. And today I just went out to buy and back. They even know that she has some trousers. That's fine. Oh my god. So these are things I need to put all these things in order. Like this one, I think I will just be putting it here. Yeah, that would be more easier. Or else I'm not putting this in order because it's not like this one. Okay. All this one for Sophia. Yeah. The one that is the summer one, I will just put it up, then bring the one of the winter down. Because I don't have straight. I don't have straight. You guys need to see the one Sophia have. She have a lot. I'll put things in order. Then I will show it to you guys. She have a lot. Sophia, let me bring this video to an end now, okay? I'll put it in order. If I'm able to put in things in order today, I will show you guys everything. But if I did not, I will still show you guys, okay? Thank you for watching, and or keep watching. Okay, let's just say keep watching. Let's see how the video will be, where the video will take us to. Okay, so now I need to go and give them food because they are back from school. Sophia and Daddy is back for lunch, so I need to go and give them food and later come back and put the things in order. Okay, bye bye guys. Keep watching. Yeah, Sonakui.